In this series, we bring you the most exciting projects in crypto, but also the ones that are making slow and steady progress toward their goals. Today we're going to talk about the crypto that's made for the intellectual. If you like your crypto with a side of red tape, then you'll love this one. Let's get it. Cardano, the brainchild of Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson. They have to prove their necessity through academic research, and the results have to be peer-reviewed before implementation. This approach has its advantages. Cardano's development is transparent, and anyone can contribute to it. But more importantly, it's a lot more secure. Potential bugs and vulnerabilities can be identified and fixed before they become a real problem. The answer is they want to get it right the first time. They would rather release a feature that is 100% perfect than release something that is 80% complete and have to go back and fix it. This means that some people may view Cardano as slow-moving, but that's just part of their DNA. They are who they are, and they're not going to change for anyone. When he was working on Ethereum, Charles found that the pace of development was a bit too much for him. Wanted to take a different approach, one based on academic research and peer review. So he left Ethereum, assembled a team, and got to work. That was in 2015. By 2017, they developed the Cardano protocol and the ADA token. Cardano is special because its development is guided by a non-profit organization called the Cardano Foundation. The foundation is overseen by a board of directors whose sole responsibility is to ensure that Cardano is developed according to the research and in a way that benefits society. They don't care about hype or media attention. They care about building a blockchain that will stand the test of time. In this phase, Cardano is implementing smart contracts, which will allow developers to build decentralized applications on the network. Previously, Cardano had been primarily used for payments, but this new functionality will make it more like Ethereum and Solana. This means that new features aren't added for the sake of making the project more attractive. Cardano's roadmap is divided into 5 phases. We're currently in the 5th phase, which began in July 2021. Now, I know what you're thinking. Smart contracts are already old news. What's unique about Cardano's smart contracts? Well, they're actually a lot more advanced than what you'll find on other blockchains. Cardano's smart contracts are actually based on a new programming language called Plutus. Plutus is a lot more secure than Solidity, the language used on Ethereum. And it allows developers to write code that is both functional and efficient. Which you may be wondering, if Cardano is so great, why is it taking so long? If you're an intellectual who likes your crypto with a side of rigor, then Cardano is definitely for you. Like and subscribe to learn more.